Today we are gonna screen record using the software called OBS, Open Broadcast Software, in my laptop. Now, no more stupid talks, let's get started. So first I'll go to the browser and search for OBS using a thing called a search engine. Search engine. Then from this website, download the right file for your OS. Mine is Windows, so I'm downloading this one. Oh, look at this. If you're also in Windows for some reason, click on this button, it will start downloading. Wait a minute, it is giving me thank you. Don't know why the hell they giving me thank you for downloading their software and using it for free. Looks like stupid. Boom. It will take minutes to a billion years depending on your internet speed. Still downloading. Oh, it's finished. Let's go to the folder where I have placed the file, and then it is just a regular software installation process. And here it is, the welcome message. Oh, you can read this license information if you want to. Imagine that. From here, you can select the path where you want to put the program. I'm putting this in this folder and then clicking OK and clicking install to install it. Then it will start installing. What the hell? Google Chrome is using OBS files. I didn't even install it. What's happening today? Let's retry it. No. Close the Chrome window. Destroy Chrome. Now it should continue. I don't know why, but my laptop is doing weird stuff today and performing very slowly. Also, click on this button for details if you need them. This is taking ages. I should go for a walk. After installing, you will land on this page. Uncheck this if checked because it will show some unwanted things and we don't want that. And click on this to launch OBS Studio following whatever version you've installed. This is looking nothing to record because you haven't set the source. To point him to the source, you have to click on this add button and then add a display capture. You can have other things as source too. We don't have any existing sources, that's why we're creating a new one and naming it display capture one, and make sure to check this one. Then you will land on this page telling you to choose the capture method. Just choose the automatic ones for simplicity. Then you have to choose the monitor. I have only one, this laptop, but if you have multiple monitors, they will show up here without any shame. Very, very shameful. If you want to capture the mouse, then check this one. And if you want to force OBS to record in only SDR or standard dynamic range, then check this one. OBS will try to make your HDR content SDR. I don't need that settings. Probably you also don't need that. Here you go. You should see something like this in your display showing on this panel. If for some reason your display is not showing, then check if this thing is blocked or not. If it's blocked, then unblock it. Now you can click on the mouse or double tap on the trackpad and drag to scale it like this. And if you hold shift while doing that, you get a squashed recording if you need that. If you hold control while controlling, you will see the videos does nothing. You don't see any changes, just regular scaling. What you're thinking? Something magic will happen? But if you hold Alt while doing this, then the recording will get cropped. This will come in handy. You can have multiple display captures. If you have multiple monitors, multiple display captures will then become handy. To delete a source, select it and click on this trash can to throw that source into the trash. If you want to record a window only, then you have to use the window capture as a source. Let's create an incognito Chrome window again and select it. Here in the box, new incognito blah 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 is this one. But the window must be active or not hiding on the dock in order to be visible. If you hide the window, it will become blank, and if you unhide it, then it will become visible again, shamelessly. For this beginner video, we are going to work with only one display capture. So let's make a new display capture. Add. Okay, select the monitor. What's happening today? Select the monitor. Select the monitor. Okay, at least windows haven't blown away. After this, you should just able to record by just clicking start record. But in order to get your expected screen record, you need to go to the settings. To change some settings, you need to change here. Well, you don't have to change anything here. Go to the output section. Now, in the output mode, set it simple to not get overwhelmed by the advanced settings. Set it simple to not get overwhelmed. Here you can adjust the streaming and recording settings. For video bitrate, the more is better, but also bad if you have crappy hardware. Since we are configuring the recording, we're gonna need this selection. This is where the video will be saved. Recording quality is simple. Higher the quality, better the video. But it's too much storage. If you're gaming, then you might go with high quality medium file size to save some storage. But if you don't care about storage, then go as high as your needs. Recording format is a bit of controversial thing. Let me explain. If you go for MP4, then it will be much easier to use, edit and play. But if your PC or the software crashes or power goes off or anything unexpected happens, then you wouldn't get the footage where you found some noobs in the Fortnite and got the first place. If you go for MKB, then the world's most greatest video editing software in the world, famous for its incredible price tag. Premiere Pro won't support this, but if something wrong happens, then you might get the footage recovered. You can go for FLV, but it will be a nightmare to get it support on other softwares. But OBS is trying to resolve this issue and they made a hybrid MP4. Still in beta though, but when you're watching it, it might be available as normal. By using this, you will get the availability of MP4 with the features of FLV. I will suggest you to go with MKV, and if you can get the hybrid MP4 working, then give it a shot. So I'm choosing the MKV. By the way, you may wonder why I keep showing these idiot parts of my videos. Wrongs do happen, right? But you will also feel your PC is playing tricks on you, because I received many more crashes and problems just in this one day. The network is just not working, the Wi-Fi drivers need to update, and the Explorer is failing every time I recorded a footage and try to save it. Installing OBS has taken ages and many more. I just don't know how this many can happen in one day. And heck, if you're in YouTube, press F key to see some more problems I faced. For the encoder, you can choose the software based, but it will not be that much compressed. But if you go for the hardware encoder, then you need hardware encoded. For audio, set the default one and set the audio track based on your needs. And after that, go to the audio thing and you can choose the audio devices from here. I usually make audio devices as default as my computer. Now we are in the video section. You can choose the resolution of the base canvas and it can be set as whatever you want. Mine is a 1080p monitor, so I am making it 1080p 1920 by 1080 resolution. And in the output resolution, you can choose the output of the recording. If I choose the base higher than the output, then it will downscale the video, and if I make my output more than my base, then it will upscale the video. However, for my settings, I am not downscaling or upscaling the video, just making the output same as the base. And you can set the FPS values. For my config, I am going with 60 FPS. The basic settings are setting, hit apply. Oh, I forgot the thing. You also have to click OK. And now, where are you waiting? Go give it a shot and start recording. By the way, if you really get any noobs and kills in your next games and recorded it, then leave a comment telling how was the experience of owning noobs. You're still here? Why? Go and give it a shot. You're not going still now? Well, I should go.